Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see a very useful feature of Android Studio, which is find and replace. This feature is especially useful when working with larger code bases. So there are major two parts of this feature. I'm going to divide this video into parts. First one is find in a file, that is in a single file. And second part is finding in entire code base, or we can say find everywhere. So let's start with first part. Just for a note, you can see the shortcuts I have pressed on my keyboard in this window. Let's say I have pressed Shift key, then the Shift key will be highlighted and so on. So there are few shortcuts while working with this feature. Let's start. First, we will try to find a string in a single file. I'm using my existing code for the feature. I will try to find a string in the file firstActivity.kotlin. To find the string, I am pressing a shortcut Command F. If you notice, here you will get the shortcut displayed. Let's try one more time. Command F. So the search toolbar is open. In the search bar, I will type whatever the string I want to search. Let's try and search a string, let's say on. So if you notice, it is highlighting all the occurrences of on string. It is showing the total number of occurrences, which is 40. If I search for on create, the occurrences are 3. With the arrow keys, we can navigate for the occurrences like this. So here are few more options to improve our search. If you check here, there are 3 options. Let's check them one by one. First one is CC, which is match case. If I enable this option, it will match the exact case of the search string with the content. Let's try and change the case of letter E. If you notice, there are 0 results. If I close this setting, then again we are getting 3 search results. Next is words. So if I enable this setting, it will look for the word, especially the word, and not between the in between occurrences. Let's try to find with another string. Let's say if I have searched on and my setting for words is on, that is enabled, then it will not find a string, because if you notice, on is not a separate word here. It is being attached with another letter. Let's say I search for binding. So if you notice, binding is already present in the next word as well, but it is not a single word. So it is not highlighted, and only a word occurrences are highlighted. Okay. Next one is regex. So here we can specify any R expression to find the string. Then there are filter is available. And this filter, it gives us option to search in comments or literals or likewise. Let's try few of them. I will try to add some comment. Now if I find with, let's say, anywhere, it will show the occurrence in comments as well. If I search in comments, only one occurrence is found. If I click Except comments, the comments option is not found. And likewise, you can try all these options on your own and can improve your search. So this is all about finding a string in a single file. Let's try and replace the occurrence. So as the shortcut for finding is Command F, to replace the string, the shortcut is Command R. So with Command R, let's say binding is replaced with binding updated. Here we can specify a string which we want to replace. So while replacing, we can replace the string one by one, or we can replace all the occurrences. So let's try to replace one by one few of them. Let's go to first occurrence of the word. I will replace it with binding updated. If you notice, it is replaced and the next string is still intact. If I replace the next occurrence, you can see it is updated. If I replace all the occurrences are replaced. So now ideally binding should return the 0 results. Let's try. 0 results. But if I search for binding updated, there are results. So this is it for this video. In next part, we will try and learn finding and replacing a string everywhere in the code. Try these all options on your own and let me know in the comments that whether you find it useful or not. We'll meet you soon in the next video. Till then, keep coding. Bye.